Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Dolgus from Buffalo TMJ, and today I want to talk with you about a type of temporary bite splint called an Aqualizer. Now, sometimes it's difficult to know what type of over-the-counter product you can use between the time when you start to experience symptoms and the time you can get in to see somebody for a more comprehensive evaluation, and maybe something that's a little more of a permanent type of orthotic or bite splint. Now, you'll notice that there are lots of products out there, and sometimes it's difficult to know what's going to work well for you. And most people have to resort to trial and error when trying to figure out what to buy. And you can waste a lot of time and money this way. So with the Aqualizer, it's a device that I trust, that I've had many of my patients use with great success when they're trying to manage acute symptoms. Now, this is an Aqualizer right here. And you can buy these online at dentaldepot.com, and I'll leave a link in the description below. So I'm going to open this product up. I'm going to show you what I have here is a low volume. There's a low volume, a medium, and a high volume. Any of them work basically the same. The high volume has a little bit more air in the cushion. But I'll show you how this works. I'll show you what it looks like. It's like a little sleeve that bends around this way, and it's got these little cushions right here that go in between your teeth. And the way that you put it in place is you place those two little tabs in between your teeth, and you stick it up under your top lip so that basically you've got cushions in between your back teeth now. Now, if you're having a problem where your jaw joints are injured or they're overloaded or your teeth aren't fitting together correctly, you can hear it's kind of difficult to talk with this in place. But this device will put a cushion, a pad, in between the back teeth so that the teeth aren't having to come together in any particular way, and you can find where the most comfortable position for your jaw is. Now, what you'll want to do with this is just gently bite down, tap, 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 and find a position that feels comfortable. And you want to let your jaw just kind of rest there. Let these air pockets and the Aqualizer provide a cushion between your teeth to help stabilize or help normalize or decompress the jaw joint structures and balance the contraction of the muscles of your jaw. Now, if this is an acute injury that you have, really your symptoms should begin to get a little bit better within a week or two. The other things that I would recommend that you do in addition to wearing some form of temporary bite splint like an Aqualizer are some kind of anti-inflammatory medication, which could be an over-the-counter like ibuprofen or naproxen, or it could be something with a little more potency like a steroid dose pack, a Medrol dose pack. And then the second thing I would have you do is apply heat 4 or 5 times a day. And you want to use something like a corn bag, something that you can put into the microwave that's going to generate a moist heat rather than a dry heat. And you want to apply that to the sides of the face, right around the jaw joint, for 5 to 20 minutes, 4 or 5 times a day for several days, maybe up to a week. And then the last thing you'll need to do is really limit your dietary choices. Choose foods that are easier to chew more slowly and mindfully, and try not to open as wide as you normally would, only for about a week, maximum 2 weeks. After that period of time, you want to get back into your normal daily eating habits. You want to be able to slowly work your way back to eating the foods that you love and being able to open all the way and move your jaw through its full range of motion with its full power. So I hope you found this information helpful, and I hope you heal quickly. Thanks for tuning in.